Hey guys, welcome to the next vlog. As you can see, good old sunshine. We've had a little rainy season over the last fortnight or so in Dehradun, and the rain gods have been kind and sent us the sun finally. So had a good workout this morning, went for a run. A very beautiful place called Maldevta. 6 kilometers done. City was coming up. As you can see from the title of this video is about my bike. As you know, I own a Triumph Bonneville T120, and I've had it for 8 months now, and I thought I'd get some upgrades done, so I had to go to Chandigarh. So 15 days ago I went to Chandigarh and I got the Triumph Bonneville Prestige Inspiration Kit installed. I'm in Chandigarh to get the Prestige kit installed on my T120. So naturally I'm a Triumph Krishna. So let me just show you the bike and see how it looks after getting the Prestige Inspiration kit installation. So first up, friends, as you can see, these are the Vance Hines peashooter slip-on exhausts. They look pretty similar to the stock exhaust, except for this diameter here. It's a little larger compared to the stock peashooter that came with the bike. And if I move around, this here is the alternator cover. This here is the clutch cover. You can see this cool Triumph chrome tank badge, and you get these nice compact LED indicators which were not there in the stock bike. So they're pretty cool. And coming onto this side, let me show you. We got this alternator throttle cap over there, and here I got a leg guard installed which wasn't there earlier. And yeah, the main upgrade is the Vance Hines peashooter exhaust. So let's give you an idea of the changed exhaust mode. So I was getting two other things in the Prestige kit. One was a completely ribbed seat, which I don't think I needed because my seat was pretty comfy. As you can see, that this seat has the ribbing only in the posterior end and the front end is smooth. But I was pretty happy with the gel-like cushioning on this seat, so I didn't get the seat changed. And the other thing that they were offering us on the Prestige kit was barrel-shaped handlebar grips. So I didn't opt for that because my stock bike comes with heated grips. As you can see this sign here, this is helpful in winter when the weather is cold. I can press this button on and the grip starts heating. But if I had installed those barrel grips, that heated grip advantage would have gone. I'm going to try and compare the exhaust notes from before and after the upgrade, and you can be the judge whether the sound has changed or not. The Triumph Krishna people at Chandigarh said that, there's a more bass to the exhaust rumble. I felt there is a bit, but it's not necessarily louder. So yeah, you spend a bit of money, but you live and learn. One thing though, installing the Vance Hines has pushed up the BHP about by 3 odd. The stock bike is 79 BHP, and the power now post the Vance Hines exhaust is around 82 or something. So that difference in power you can feel in the lower rev range. So that was pretty obvious. So that's it for now. The whole review of this bike is a subject of another vlog which I will do in the future. And hope you enjoyed this, and smash the like button if you have seen the video till now. Thanks. Cheers guys.